run. Good morning, love bug. Hi. Good morning. Say good morning. Go to the bathroom. Which shirt do you want to wear? The black or the green? Green? Okay. Do you like green? Dance, dance. Dance, dance. Come here, put your shoes on. Okay. Dance, dance, dance. Austin's having a bit of a tough morning this morning. He was doing okay until our refrigerator has a tablet in the door, and he likes to type and create different things on there, but it just didn't, it kept hanging up and wasn't working right, so that was really frustrating him. So I turned it off for the day. Hopefully it'll restart itself and work, but that really upset him, and so led to some self-injurious behaviors. He'll bite his arms and his hands when he gets upset, and that just breaks my heart when he does that. I try my best to shield him from doing that because I don't want him to hurt himself. But hoping the ride to daycare will kind of settle him, and he's gonna have a fun day. You get to go bowling today. That's the field trip today. They're going bowling, so that should be fun. But hoping today turns around for him. I think he's tired. He really didn't want to wake up this morning, and we have the most behaviors when he's tired and when he's hungry, so it could be a combination of both. Here's to hoping for a better day. So yeah, y'all missed that. My Sirius radio 90s on 9 played a little clip from Toy Story, and this one got real excited. What did it say, Austin? It did, didn't it? Was it playing Toy Story?
Yes.
It was. Austin is all dropped off at daycare now. He was in a much better mood when I left him. He was dancing around, singing, and acting like his sweet normal self, which makes me happy because I don't ever want to leave him when he's upset. So just we might have some behaviors when we get home, and he tries to play with the tablet again. Hopefully it will work correctly. Don't know why it's not, other than it just needs to be restarted. But anyway, I'm off to work. Not much going on other than a typical work daycare day. Got a plan for groceries this week, and all that fun adulting stuff. But we'll see you guys at 5. Have a good day, guys. Well, Wednesday is over. On my way to get Austin. We had a massive thunderstorm come up, and it's still kind of raining now. Funny story about Austin. He loves the rain. He really loves any kind of water, sprinkler, rain, anything. So when it is raining outside, you really have to keep him close, because he will take off running like this huge sprinkler from the sky, and he just has the time of his life running around in the rain. So He's actually ran out of his daycare door. They have a door to the gated area outside. He's taken off from his teachers before. Of course, they've been right behind him, but the teacher got soaked along with Austin. So yeah, he's a little stinker when it comes to rain. So wish me luck while I go get him, because it's still kind of drizzling. But I'll check in with you guys once I have him. Well, I've got Austin. Say hey, Austin. He's waving. Did you have a good day, buddy? Austin, did you have a good day? You reading your highlights magazine? Or you like the cover? What does that say? What?
China.
Yeah, that says China. Good job.
Big.
Yep.
It's big.
Brazil.
And
Kenya. Very good.
Africa.
Yep. South Africa. Russia. India. What's this one? Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah.
Very good.
Well, it's the end of Wednesday now. Austin's enjoying a little evening swim. Hi. How was your day?
That's good.
Normal day?
Normal day. It's Wednesday.
Halfway
Friday's
through the
coming.
week. Yep. Sure is. Well, you guys have a good evening, and I guess we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
See ya.
Austin, say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. Good morning. Whoa. Did that tickle? No, don't hit.
Good day.
Good job, bud. She said it was something wrong. Did you hear him? He went, I didn't. Good Thursday morning, everyone. Say good morning, Austin. Hi. Mr. Dancing Machine back there. He's been in a funny dancing mood this morning. It's been so cute. Today's Thursday. Water play at daycare. He's already dressed in his bathing suit. And if you've seen all the video of him in the pool and around water, you know the child loves water. So he should have fun with that. I am off to work after dropping Austin off at daycare. It's the first of the month, so a little busier for me at work, but makes the days go by fast. And tomorrow is Friday. What you talking about back there, bud? Dude, what's wrong? Hey, what's wrong?
Swimming.
You got water play today? I wondered if his daycare asked for the kids to come dressed in their bathing suits today. And I thought, as soon as they told me that yesterday, I'm like, that might be a problem. Only because we have a pool at home. And when Austin gets in his swimsuit, he's ready to get in the pool. So, he was fine until we left home. And now I think he's a little confused as to why he's in his bathing suit and not in the pool. But give it a little time at daycare and he'll figure it out. Just another challenge we worked through, but the thing is we get through them and he has a better understanding of routine. What is it, bud? want the sunroof open? Yes? Okay. What? Good job. That was a great sentence. If you guys didn't hear him back there, he said, I want window open. We're really working to get him to verbalize the things that he wants instead of just whining and fussing and kind of pointing us in the general direction of it. He's super smart. He knows all these words. It's just getting him to verbalize them. And it takes some prompting. He's gotten a lot more successful with answering yes. I try to throw some no questions in there just so it's not always a yes answer. Super proud of him though. His language is just exploded. Super, super proud of him. High five, bud. Oh, we gonna fist bump? Alright guys, well I hope y'all have a great Thursday. I'm gonna get Austin dropped off at daycare, get myself to work, and we will see y'all at 5. Have a good day. Alright, I got my little buddy. Hey Austin. Can you say hey? Wave? Bye. Well, it is a beautiful, beautiful evening. Got some storms going on. This should be fun trying to get Austin in the house. You want what? Austin is asking for the sunroof to be open right now. I don't think so. Woo, that rain, my goodness. The house, not too terrible, but I have not gotten groceries out yet. But this guy rocked it. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Good job. He came right in the house, no problems with running in the rain. That's a success. Well, as you can see, we have changed into our comfy clothes because I really don't think this weather is going to allow us to go outside tonight. So just putting some groceries up.
What's the difference in rain and cool?
I know. All right, well, Thursday's coming to an end. It is Thursday, right? Please tell me tomorrow's Friday. Okay. Whew. Austin's enjoying a rice cake with peanut butter. Because, of course, peanut butter is life.
For 1 minute.
You need a drink. All right, can you tell everybody good night?
1 minute.
Good night. See you tomorrow.